Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you are keeping well. So we have already completed chapter 2 of page number 2 of chapter 2 in the previous class, and in this class we will do page number 3. Which page we will do? We will do page number 3 of this book, and this book is, the name of this book is Junior Knowledge Part 2. We have completed chapter 1. We have already started chapter 2. And today we will do page number 3 of this chapter. Okay. This is page number 3. Right. Take out a pencil in your hand and an eraser. Okay. I will tell slowly. I'll go slowly and you will go on ticking the correct answer. Okay, you'll put a tick mark. Okay, 3 options you will find. For one answer, you will tick the correct option. Clear? Okay, let us start. See, number 3, tick the correct answers. Okay, answer. Now, 3.1 is India is the biggest continent, and India is in the biggest continent. In the previous class, I told you that our country, India, lies in which continent? Name of the continent I have told you. Okay, and here you have to write tick the name of the continent where India lies. Okay, so India is in the biggest continent, and that continent is, which is the biggest continent where India lies? 3 options you will find here. Africa, Asia, and North America. 3 options are given: Africa, Asia, and North America. So India is in which continent? Asia, which is the biggest continent. So you will put a tick mark here. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Option B. Done? Now, number 2. The smallest continent is, see, again 3 options are given. Now you have to name the smallest continent. See, 3 options are Asia, Europe, and Australia. Number 1 Asia, number 2 Europe, and number 3 Australia. So which is the smallest continent? The smallest continent is Europe. So B, option B is the correct answer. Done? Now, number 3. Number 3, the biggest ocean is the, name the biggest ocean. Now, I have told you when I was explaining you the previous page, the biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. For number 3, the correct answer is option C. Okay, option for number 3, yes, for number 3, the correct option is number C, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Okay. Now number 4. The Indian Ocean is below Asia, between Africa and. Now you have to see in the picture. See in the picture, from the picture in the last page you can find out. The question is, the Indian Ocean is below Asia and between Africa and Australia. The correct answer is Australia. Okay, it is between Asia and Africa and Australia. Africa and Australia. Indian Ocean is between Africa and Australia. Okay. Now number 5. The ocean between South America and Africa is. Now you have to name the ocean that lies between South America and Africa. This is number 5. And the correct answer is Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean. Okay. The ocean that lies between South America, okay, South America and Africa is Atlantic Ocean. Done? So number 5, B is the correct answer. Now number 6. The only continent that has no countries is. Now the continent that has no country. Which is that continent? Number A option, Antarctica, B. Africa, C. South America. Now the correct answer is Antarctica. The correct answer for 6 is number A, Antarctica. In Antarctica there are no countries, sorry. Now number 7, the Himalayas are in. So the Himalayas lies in which continent? Asia, Australia or South America? 3 options given. A is Asia, B is Australia and C is South America. So the Himalayas lies in the continent Asia. For 7, the correct answer is A. For 7, the correct answer is A. Okay. Now move to 8. The Nile is the longest river. Have you heard the name of the Nile river? It is one of the longest river. Now it is in which continent? Asia, Africa or North America? See, here you can see Asia number 1 option, A option, B is Africa and C is North America. 3 options are given. So the B option is correct. Nile lies in Africa. So for 8, the correct option is B. Okay. Then you can see number 4 is, what is a sea? A sea is much smaller than an ocean. We have learned in the previous class that oceans are large area of water bodies, isn't it? So on the earth. Now see, the seas are smaller than oceans. Most seas are connected to oceans and are partly surrounded by land. And what we have found that most of the seas, they are connected to oceans. Seas are connected to oceans and are partly surrounded by land. Seas are partly surrounded by land. Among A, B, C, D and E, which do you think are seas? See, here you have to go through this picture properly, minutely. Now the question is, see numbers given, A, B, C, D, E. You can see these numbers marked here. Okay, now you have to find among these A, B, C, D and E, which do you think are seas? Which are the seas? See, I think, see this one, number A. Number A, see number A, this is a sea, partly surrounded by land. Okay, and they are smaller than oceans. So the answer is, which are the oceans here? A is a ocean, then C, A is sea, that not C, S-E-A-C. Okay, so A is C, then B is also C, D is also C is also C, and E is also C. But D, see D is not a C. Why? See, it's not surrounded by, you cannot see any land part around it, and see it's showing a very large part, isn't it? Blue part we are seeing here. So it's an ocean. It is not a sea, because we know that sea are much smaller than oceans. Okay, so we can write that which are the seas here. Number A is a sea, then number B is also C, number C is also C, number E is also C, except number D. D is not a sea, it is an ocean. Okay, so we have done page number 3 also. So what you have to do, you have to tick A, B, C and E, because except this D, which is not a sea, as it is a ocean, isn't it? And we have learned that sea are much more smaller than oceans. Okay, so you have to cross, put a cross near on D. Okay, you will cross D. Correct? So we have also completed page number 3 of chapter 2. Okay, then in the next class we will go to chapter 3. Clear? So children, we have completed. Now what we have to do, you have to learn all this. Okay, and all this thing you will do in the book itself. No need of writing in the copy till now, till chapter 2. Okay, whenever needed, I will inform you, I will instruct you where to write. But up to this one, chapter 2, till now, as I instruct you do, okay, you will do in the book itself. Thank you and keep learning, okay.